Hi everyone, today we are doing something new. We are creating a 3D models using AI generated images. I will show you two competitive websites and compare them to you get a clear idea of which one is better. I think you will find it interesting, that's why I make this video. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have a AI generated images and we are going to use one of these to create a 3D models. I have researched used a lot of free websites. Among them I found this one to be the genuinely good, it's called Tripo. In this tool we can also generate 3D models through prompts, but there are also option to use images. For demo purpose I am using a single image for now, but if you want a better result you can take a subscription where you get the option to use multi images. Now just hit the generate. For my character it take approximately 4 minutes to generate entire model. They also provide a 3D view to see the results. Here you can see that the model is displayed in full 3D viewport. And no doubt the result we got is so pretty. Here it's also provide an option where you can increase the quality of textures. We have the option to download these models. So I am choosing this FVX format for this one and just hit the download button. Wait until the download is completed. So I import this model into Blender and we can see that it's look exactly like this reference we provided. Here it is in a grayscale and it looks so well made that no one could tell it was generated by AI. I can show you the topology and it's pretty high. However, you can adjust the topology counts. They provide 3 options: low, medium, high. I also generated 3D models using same image on a popular website called Messi. Here we can see that result. I compare both results and here you can get a clear idea which one is better. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope we see you on next one.